When it comes to getting a PC, you have two options. Option A, do the research and build it yourself, or option B, get a pre-built. But which one should you go for? And really, they both have their pros and cons. Building it yourself has the pros of being cheaper because you get the freedom of choosing your parts as well as being able to get good deals on those parts. And as well as that, you also don't have to pay any builder's fee, which is pretty much how like pre-built builders make their money. Then there's the cons. You give little to no knowledge of the PC market or how to build a PC and could accidentally buy, let's say, GPU, CPU, RAM, or storage that's more expensive yet has the same hardware or same performance as a thing that's cheaper. And you could also run into the most common issue of actually breaking your PC when building, which is why I recommend if you're looking to build a PC, you watch at least 10 PC building videos of hardware that's similar. That way you know what to do, what not to do, and how to plug in all the cables. But onto the pre-builds. The pros of pre-builds are pretty slim. Usually they're more expensive due to builders' fees and the condition of the PC market when the device is actually built. But then you also have the chance of finding a pre-built PC that's on sale and can end up being cheaper than actually building it yourself. And also, you don't have to worry that much about damaging the PC because you're not building it yourself. And if you're collecting in person, you shouldn't have to worry about shipping. Because usually if you buy a PC online, you normally see damages to the GPU, loose power connectors, or loose RAM. And as well as that, there's not really that much future-proofing aesthetics unless you upgrade the part yourself. And that comes with a downside because usually PC builder manufacturers will really baseline the power requirements. Meaning if you get a new GPU, there's a very good chance you to get a new power supply as well. So that being said, should you really buy a pre-build in 2023? Well, it really depends on your situation. See, if you have knowledge of how to build your PC and have a good idea of price and performance, then by all means go ahead and build your own PC. If you don't have the best knowledge about PCs and don't really want to take too much time to learn, just want to end up gaming, then by all means get a pre-build, but at least do some bare minimum research into the specs and the company behind it, because some companies could be scamming on pre-builds. Like you may see some companies charge 200 to 300 euros more than what the computer is actually worth when you build it yourself. That's simply because they're taking advantage of people who don't actually know the worth of computer parts. Like that video and like text and consider subscribing. And as well as that, comment any suggestions on how to improve the content.